Let's go.
He's got a knife! He's got a knife!
Got it. Get that knife out of here.
Get that knife out of his hand!
Start a medic.
A mother reported to the police that her son was displaying paranoid behavior and vandalizing their house. 3 police officers were dispatched to the scene.
Hi, Tyler. What's going on? Missing the other hand? Alright. Make sure you got no weapon on you. What's going on today? Not feeling it? Are you off your meds? We've talked before, remember? You recognize me? No, not at all? You used to have braids, didn't you? No?
Yeah, you used to have.
Yeah.
They weren't braids though.
What's going on today? Here, you sit down. You want to sit down? You want me to talk to Mom?
I mean, I'm gonna put it in layman terms.
The suspect, identified as Tyler Patrick, 29, was well known to Officer Kloos and the local police, having been warned multiple times before for his disruptive behavior. Patrick also had a history of mental illness.
I mean,
Something's wrong. I can tell. I can look in your face and tell you something's wrong.
it is.
I know.
But at the same time, it's not what you think either.
Are you feeling like homicidal, suicidal?
I don't know how I'm feeling right now.
Okay. Well, that's why I'm here to talk to you.
I'm telling you, I know. I'm just saying. Right now, please, cause I don't know what she just called you for, and I ain't really do nothing to her.
Do you want me to ask Mom? What's going on, Mom?
She's saying I don't know.
He's delusional.
Okay.
He's delusional.
And you have a history of that.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
He's a delusional.
No.
He had walked to the store and came back and just started banging on the house. Just banging on the house. And I'm like, you got to help.
Why were you banging on the house?
Cause she got some like little home invasion and stuff going on, and they probably quiet and you can't hear them all the way. That's
So
what
you
it
think
is.
there's someone in the house?
I mean, they quiet right now. Yes, there's
Okay.
somebody in this house.
Okay.
Yes, it is, and it's not just me. It's a home invasion for
Do you
real.
want us to look?
I mean, you're gonna have to go through the attic or something.
So you're hearing people in the attic?
It's about everywhere, and I'm
Okay.
not playing no more.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm just telling you what it is. It's a home invasion.
Okay.
So that's what it is, and it's not me.
You're scared because you hear people in your house.
Okay, yeah.
I understand
Yeah,
that.
that's 100% what it is.
Okay. Does your mom hear those people?
Oh, she definitely doesn't act slow.
What
So
if she
whoever
doesn't?
else acting slow, no, I'm not playing. I'm sorry. I see you grabbing that. Is it me or them? They have a home invasion up in here,
Okay.
and I'm not playing.
The police spoke with Patrick inside the residence and determined that he should be taken to a local hospital.
I'm not playing.
Well, if you sit down, I'll go look in the attic if you want me to.
I mean, I'll check with you. You can go ahead. I'm right here.
Okay.
Disappear, reappear, Batman and Robin, what it is.
I know, but you're in the way. I can't go check.
Let me check, see if you're
Can
hearing
you
something.
sit here with your mom?
Go check, see if you're hearing something. Check.
If
just
you're
see-
in here, sit back here.
You hear something. I mean, y'all hear me all the time. Y'all hear my name outside. Ain't nobody there.
But you hear people saying your name.
They in here, and I'm not playing.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, brother.
I'm
Okay?
telling you, it's a home invasion.
Okay.
If it's coming at me and my safety, I'm not playing with nobody.
Okay.
If y'all on my side, cause y'all know I'm not gonna lie to you like that,
I know.
yes. If y'all going at me crazy like that, yes, I'm gonna be on bullshit. I'm telling you that. As a man to man,
What do you like to be called? Tyler?
I'm Tyler Antonio Patrick.
Okay.
I'm telling you what it is.
Your
Plain and
mother
simple.
is worried about you.
She's not worried. She's
Oh,
ignoring
she's
everything
very
around because she's trying to get me set up.
Because you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing
I don't feel safe
with your
you
medication.
anymore.
I don't have medication.
Exactly.
I'm not
You
on
should be on
medication.
medication.
Yes, you need
No, I
help.
shouldn't.
Yes, you should. You always have been on medication.
So you don't hear those people talking on the side right
I've been here with social workers
now.
before.
You don't hear nothing.
You're hearing things that aren't here. I hate to tell you that.
As Officer Kloos attempted to escort Patrick out of the house, Patrick concealed a pocket knife and stabbed Officer Kloos in the neck. Patrick then tried to stab the other 2 officers while they restrained him on a couch. The police managed to wrestle the knife away from him and placed him under arrest.
Alright, let's go.
He's got a knife! He's got a knife!
Got it. Get that knife out of here. Get that knife out of his hand.
Start a medic.
Patrick was taken to the hospital for minor injuries sustained during the arrest. He was treated, released, and then transported to Montgomery County Jail. Patrick now faces 3 counts of aggravated assault on a peace officer, with bail set at $500,000. Officer Kloos, a 10-year veteran of the force, was taken to Miami Valley Hospital and discharged later that day. Doctors noted that it was fortunate the knife did not hit the carotid artery, as the outcome could have been much worse. This incident left the local community shocked and concerned about safety and mental health care. The officers involved received praise for their bravery and professionalism in handling the dangerous situation.
Stop! Stop right now! Put it down! Drop the knife! Throw it to the side! Put your hands behind your back! Put it behind your back right now! Put your hands behind your... Put your hands behind your back now! Turn over! Turn over!
In Fishhawk Ranch, Florida, officers were called to a home in Lithia's Fishhawk Ranch area to assist Grace Point, a mental health and medical service provider. Grace Point conducts involuntary mental health evaluations in emergencies when individuals pose a risk to themselves or others or cannot care for themselves due to mental illness. Nicholas Ferguson, 21, learned he would be admitted to Grace Point under Florida's Baker Act and walked away into a wooded area.
On the side trail, I'm here with him. Hold on. Look, we're gonna walk back, okay? Okay? Now, the thing of it is, you're still not in trouble, but obviously I can't trust you not to run anywhere. Alright? So, come on. Come on. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for now.
2 officers pursued Ferguson. After a chase, Deputy Williams engaged Ferguson on a wooded trail and used de-escalation techniques to calm him. Deputy Williams grabbed Ferguson's right arm and attempted to detain him, unaware that Ferguson had a knife. Ferguson drew the knife with his left hand, reached over his right shoulder, and stabbed Deputy Williams in the neck.
Okay? God! Hey! He shot me! He's got a knife! Hey! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Stop right now! I got him at gunpoint! Stop right now! Stop! Nick! Stop! Stop right now! Put it down! Drop the knife! Throw it to the side! Put your hands behind your back! Put it behind your back right now! Put your hands behind your... Put your hands behind your back now! Turn over! Turn over!
Ferguson fled again, ignoring Deputy Williams' verbal commands to stop. Deputy Williams continued the chase for another 100 yards before successfully subduing Ferguson. Ferguson was taken to the hospital for evaluation and then jailed. He was charged with attempted murder of a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and resisting an officer without violence. He is held at Falkenberg Road Jail without bail.
Am I bleeding?
Huh?
Am I bleeding?
Yeah, you okay?
I don't know.
What happened?
You're trying to stab me.
You let go. Let go, let go. Bring the medical. Come in here, medical.
Julia 33, Got stabbed in the neck. Get EMS rolling this way.
Send to him. Here. I got a quick clap. Here. Here.
Is it bad? It's not bleeding bad. Okay. All right. Hey, pressure. That's good. Stay with him. No, I got. Stay with him.
Here.
I'm good.
Ferguson was previously arrested in February 2019 on charges including domestic violence battery, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and resisting an officer without violence. Dealing with mentally unstable individuals poses significant dangers for law enforcement officers. The officers involved were commended for their bravery and professionalism in handling the hazardous situations. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.